Hey, what's up guys, it's Geoid back with another video. So today in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to earn money using Ico. If you don't know what is Ico is nothing but initial coin offering. For more information, Wikipedia link is given in description. So today in this video, I am going to show an Ico called as WIRYCOIN Ico. So let's get started. The link for this Ico is given in description. It is a smart lending platform for Bitcoin and Ethereum. The pre-Ico is started. It will end after 6 days from now. They also accept Bitcoin as well as Ethereum as payment for buying tokens. The tokens we bought can used in 3 program. First is for lending, second for Ethereum mining, third for Bitcoin mining. Revenue model, it shows how revenue will be generated and transferred to investors. Investors can also earn interest by joining lending program and payout by joining mining program. WIRYCOIN investment model for investor. WIRYCOIN can be used for lending, trading, holding and investing in different program. Smart lending program, through which you can earn interest from your lending package. There are 3 package available. First for 7 days, second for 45 days, third for 90 days. Each package starts from $50. These are some pictures of their mining machine they installed for Bitcoin and Ethereum mining program. These are some brief information about Bitcoin and their mining process. And this is about Ethereum and their mining process. This is roadmap of WIRYCOIN, about their program schedule and month-wise procedure. When you click on the 3-line, a menu pops up which shows information about their each program, and information browser is downloaded automatically for more information. So if you want to invest in this Ico, then click on sign up and fill out your information and click on sign up button, and afterward from there you can buy their tokens and use them in different program. If you find any difficult in buying tokens, click on how to buy for more information. So guys, if you enjoyed my video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos. Follow me on Twitter for staying connected with each other. Thank you for watching.